Want to send user data to Mailchimp only when specific conditions are met? After installing Cool FormKit, navigate to Cool FormKit from Elementor section. Toggle on Conditional Mailchimp from Form Elements. Save changes. Now, open your Elementor form. From Action after Submit, choose Conditional Mailchimp. A section labeled Conditional Mailchimp will appear. Choose Default if you've already connected your Mailchimp API key, or select Custom if you want to use a different Mailchimp account. Choose the audience where you want to send subscriber data. Turn it on if you want subscribers to confirm their email. Match your form fields with Mailchimp fields like email, first name, last name. Now, toggle on the conditions. Enter the field ID of the form field that will trigger the condition. You can access the field ID from the advanced setting of the field. Choose a comparison operator. After satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.